Does your HiSense Roku TV keep turning off by itself or randomly shutting down like this? Don't worry, this is a common issue and here are some quick fixes that can stop it from happening. So first you have to check the sleep timer. So for that you have to go to settings, then system, and from the time make sure it's set to off. Because the timer is one of the most common reason your TV shuts down automatically. Next, turn off the power saving option. So from the same system menu, go to power and open auto power savings. And here you have to turn off everything like reduce power after 15 minutes and uncheck all the options here. So while you are here, also turn off fast TV starts if it's enabled. And after all of these things, now you have to check your HDMI devices. Sometimes a connected device like a console or soundbar can turn the TV off. So for that you have to go to your system, then control other devices and turn it off. And lastly, the settings, you have to check that the screensaver settings. So for that you have to go to your settings again, then theme, and you have to go to the screensaver start time option. And from here, if power saver is selected or the time is too short, you can extend it or turn it off. I hope this will solve your problem, but if the issue still continues, try a simple power reset. So for that you have to unplug the TV and press and hold the power button on the TV for about 30 seconds. Wait a minute, then plug it back in. And if nothing else works, a factory reset may be your last option. So just remember, it will erase everything on your TV and restore it to factory settings. So now to do it, just press and hold the reset button on the back of the TV for about 15 to 30 seconds and set it up newly. And that's it. Hope one of these methods work for you. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.